Hi guys, it's me again, and today we're going to be building a weeding tool from some scrap metal. All you need is some 1-inch steel flat bar. This chunk is a few inches long, this one's a bit shorter. The exact sizes don't really matter. Also a piece of pipe to use as a handle. This is electrical conduit. And these pieces will just be welded up like that to make the weeder. And there's a little integrated hammer on the back, so yeah, now let's just clean off these pieces and weld them together. Here I'm using my angle grinder equipped with a wire wheel to just remove the rust and mill scale from the steel parts in preparation for welding. It's an important step because you need to have the metal clean to weld it well. Now we are ready to weld these two pieces together. I'm now tack welding the metal parts together. They are held by magnetic welder's square. Now that the parts have been tack welded together, I can remove the magnetic square and then weld them together. I'm using 6013 electrodes here with DC electrode negative. They're 3/32 inch diameter at 70 amps. Now I'm using a grinding disc on my angle grinder to smooth out the welds. It's funny how welding is like 10% welding, 90% grinding. Now I'm welding the head of my weeding tool to the handle. I tried using that electrical conduit, but it was too thin to weld to the thicker steel on the head, so I decided to just use a piece of Schedule 40 galvanized pipe instead. It seems to be welding pretty well. I'm welding with the same settings as before, but I'm being careful of ventilation because zinc does release toxic fumes when welded. Now there's some more grinding work to do to smooth out the new welds I've made, followed by some wire wheeling to remove any scale or flux residue from welding. It also removes any bits of slag that weren't chipped off. Now let's test out the weeding tool. Works pretty well for pulling out weeds like that, and also for generally just loosening soil. It's a good idea to grow your own vegetables in case of coronavirus-related shortages. Yeah, so overall I think this works really well. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it, and see you all next time.